What's up guys, are you looking for a way to bookmark all open Safari tabs at once? Then stay ready, in this video, I will explain to you how to do that. For this trick, you need iOS 15 and a later version of the iPhone or iPad. So check your iPhone is up to date. Head to the Settings app. Now tap General and click on About. On this screen, Software Update version appears. As like, my phone runs on iOS 15 firmware. If you haven't it, please udpate first, and then go next to follow my steps. Using this way, you can back up all your essential open tabs, if you ever need to close all your tabs in Safari on your iPhone to get the browser to run smoother. Hence, without losing your important website's pages, I hope you'd like to read pages in future time. Let's see. Open Safari browser. Now tap and hold on the bookmark icon. A pop-up asks you to select Add Bookmarks for numbers of tabs. For example, I have 5 tabs. Right. Next, enter a folder name for your bunch of tabs and choose a specific location. If you don't set your desired location, then it saves at the default location. In Favorites. For example, I enter Finance as a folder name. In the end, tap the Save button to apply changes. Voila! From now, you can easily access all these URLs later. Now in the second part, let's see how to access all saved tabs bookmark folder. Just open Safari and click on the bookmark icon. On this screen, my created folder appears. I click on it to see all URLs. Here you can order disorder URL, and delete URL as well. In More, you can create a new folder, and use a root folder of the tabs. So you guys, this is all about Safari bookmarks. I hope you, my friend, like this video, and if any questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.